Alright, it's spring cleaning time. I like to get everything wiped down before spring gets here, before Easter. And I've got a lot of stainless in my kitchen. And I learned this trick from a elevator inspector on how to keep stainless looking really pretty and clean. So, number one tip, never ever use glass cleaner, especially the one that has ammonia in it, on stainless. Never ever. Never use any kind of cleaner that has bleach on stainless. This has got a lot of smudge marks and a lot of sticky stuff. The best thing to use, and you're not going to believe it, but it works, I'm going to show you, is this. WD-40. Can you believe that? That is the best cleaner for stainless, and I want you to see how easy it is to clean this. I spray a little bit on a clean rag, and then I'm going to start wiping down, and it just brings back the natural shine, and it cleans up. And I do this about twice a year. A really good heavy coat, and then I'll go back and spot clean it. If you've got any sticky tape, it comes right off. It just makes it so pretty and shiny. I'll get a little bit more. You can already see the difference. Look how shiny that is. I want you to look at the difference between the two panels. Look how pretty and shiny that is and clean. And then this side hasn't been done. And it's just WD-40. Look at the rag. So give it a try. I love this tip. Now I'm going to go around and I'll show you before and after. I'm going to do my stainless steel dishwasher, my sink, my stove. You can even do your stainless steel appliances like your crock pot, your toaster oven. It cleans everything, and it's not an overwhelming smell because you're just spraying a little bit on your rag. So let me finish cleaning and I'll show you the after. So I hope you learned something and you'll give this tip a try. WD-40 does a great job on stainless steel. Now, my next video is going to be how to clean those greasy cabinets. I've got a special formula for that too, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.